Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to talk about a super awesome feature in Excel Wolfram. So, what is this feature? We are going to learn about this feature and this is very beautiful feature. How we can do that? So, I have typed four data type over here and we are going to learn this feature. So, I have typed first data type as location Delhi, India. So in the data tab you can see here data types are appearing. Now since this is a location, so here we have Wolfram. So if I will click on location, so it is taking data from that word. Now here in the data selector I need to select, so I am selecting Delhi, India. Now a building image has inserted in front of my data type and a pop-up is enabled here. If I will click on this pop-up, then for example I want to know the size of population. So if I will click on population, so I don't need to search population on the Google. Excel itself tell you what is the population of Delhi. Now if I will click on people, for example Salman Khan, now people, so here it is, click this again. For example I want to know the date of birth, so here is the date of birth. Now we have converted our data type into a Wolfram. Now how we can remove it? To remove we need to right click on it, data type, and convert it to text. So data type will convert again into text like this. If you want to know some more details, so you can right click on it and show data type card. So my card will appear like this. So this is the Wolfram and this can help you to extract the data from the internet directly without the help of Google. So keep enjoying and keep learning.